Benji, step out of the field. Out. No, just stay over there. Stick this side, but don't step into the field.
Nice blue, guys.
Come on, Matt. Go for the ball.
Ready, defense?
Back for the ball, Matt. Come on. Good work.
Stay in front of him.
You ready, Mark?
Move on.
Get position quick, guys.
Quickly, Mark B.
Come on.
Towards me. Mark. Be ready. Come this way. Open space. Good. Get it down to Mark. Go. Stay down there, Mark. Okay, go.
Get it down to Mark.
All right, nice.
Good effort.
Their ball.
Close to the line.
Hey, come on. Hey.
Good.
Good work, Evan.
Good. Go, Mark.
Go, Mark, go.
Get in the box, Harris. Get in.
Put in the center.
Set. Again.
Position quick. Get ready quick, Evan.
Put it down. Great, go. In the box, Greg.
I thought that was ours.
In the box.
Come on, guys.
In the box.
Kick Snowstorm.
Hey, Tuman, drop. In the middle, drop in the middle. Drop in the middle. Gray, get back. Get back.
Walk
back.
it, go up to the ball.
Challenge it.
Evan, don't walk back. Come on. 3/4.
Should be. There you go. Here we go.
I never count. I don't know why I'm not counting. Great. Evan,
Thanks,
Evan,
Raf.
you on that. Hey, Benji. Hey, Mark. The ball's there.
Remember, charge it, Benji.
Let's go.
Charge the player that has the ball. Get it moving quickly. There you go, Tillman. Nice.
Good.
Okay, Benji, move up.
Oh, that's it. For the ball. That's it.
Go, Benj. Quick. Okay, follow
Good.
it now.
Come on, man.
Follow the ball.
In front of him. Come on, Gray, down the line. Relax. Down the line.
Go,
Good.
Benj. Go. Move up, Benj.
Gray. Down the line, quick.
Remember, away from your players. Perfect position, Benj. Go, follow it.
Gray, down. Get back, Gray. Good.
Oh,
Again.
good Tillman.
Nice, Tillman.
Excellent. Okay, get up.
Go.
Position for Mark. Go.
Benj, get in position.
Get up there. Benj, up forward. Come on. Up forward, Benj.
Get in the box, Tuman.
Nice. Shoot.
Get in there, Benj.
Get back.
Get it in there, Benj. It's gonna go down.
Good.
You don't have to go there. Stay on the left. Come on. That's you right here. Down the line.
Charge him, Benj.
Go, Benji.
Get the hands down, Tillman.
Yeah.
Hey, Drew. Take it out of bounds. Take it out. Take it out. Good. Play. Take it out. Go.
Benji, look where the white players are. What did I tell you? To move. Be a white. Matthew, leave it.
Okay, great. Go back.
Shoot. Nice.
Oh, good one, Evan. Much better position that time.
I know.
Yeah, Evan's doing great there. One of the things next week, I'm going to try and get the goals over from that are on the far side of the field, so that we can do some of the crossing. Because Evan, like last week, there was several times he was way too close to the side. There's no way he could have made it.
Right.
So yeah, I'll get the goal over.
I saw that practice before.
Yeah.
And the game before.
And I sent an email to Liam about which fields we're using because I'm just mortified about that.
About the
Yeah.
softball.
Yeah.
Again, don't stop, Evan. Don't stop. Nate.
Nate, it's yours. Big one.
Good.
Go. Gabe.
Greg.
Good,
Get
good.
back now.
Nice, Benji. Follow it.
Greg,
Follow
get
it.
back, Greg.
Keep charging it.
That's it. Time. Relax. Hey, Gray. When I say
Take your time.
when I say time,
Ben,
relax.
charge the ball.
Drop back in the middle.
Good job, Dave.
Clear.
Matthew, don't back off.
It's okay, Matthew. Matthew, back. Back. Gray in the middle.
Why don't I go grab the case of water?
Yeah, just...
Well done, Andrew. Matthew! Number 10! Hey, Matthew!
Oh!
Matthew, you're left in. This way more. Come on, hey! Matthew! Look at me, come on.
It's just the age group. They won't do it for this age group, but when you get to the U12, they will. Where the hell is Mom?
Oh, Dad, that reminds me. Last year when I was at
Number 14. Mark 5.
the other team that we were facing made a wall with the goal, and like Riley was right there. He was about to kick it, and then he kicked it right over the heads and made a goal.
Good, Tillman.
Get it out. Yep.
Nice. Okay, I got water.
Yeah. Keep it off to the side, guys.
And like it was a penalty, and
Come on, get up. Get out of there, clear. Great. You're always back.
Hold on.
Okay, I'll get a water at the half.
Yeah. Mother.
Let's go, Mark.
Get it wide. Come on, Alvin.
Get it out of there, guys.
Send it. Mark, go. Mark, go.
Help him, guys. Get up there wide. He needs help. Attack him, Alvin.
Tillman, get back. Andrew, relax. Take your time.
Hey, how's it
Hey,
going?
Mark.
Hey, Jeff. Good job, Jared.
All right, Evan, stay with the
Send him.
ball, guys.
Get up, Matthew. Come on, Matthew. Come on, Matthew.
You're here. Good.
Matthew, get in there.
No, keep it in. Get it.